Hey guys, so I am still really bullish on crypto and there is so much news that I will be talking about. I still think 2025 will be the main crypto euphoria. Maybe we will go deep into a 2026, 2027, but we will see. But still, I think global liquidity will, basically Bitcoin price will catch up to global liquidity because global liquidity is going up and Bitcoin is basically lagging a few weeks after behind it. So first of all, here you can see, basically yesterday we saw the biggest spot Bitcoin ETF inflows, 274 million worth of basically Bitcoin ETFs. This is the biggest in 6 weeks. So we had basically outflows right now. It looks like investors are buying back, which is bullish because Bitcoin right now is sitting around 85,000. There are some whales trying to short it with $5 million worth of basically shorts. But still, overall, I am quite bullish because we were at 79. I think the overall feeling is quite bullish. And here, tomorrow, we will have the Fed decision on the interest rates. Most likely, they will not cut rates, but if they actually cut rates, it will be super bullish for Bitcoin. The lower the rates, the basically bigger upside for the risk assets like gold, Bitcoin. And here you can see the official website. Tomorrow, 19 March, the meeting will happen. Next news is that Japanese public company Metaplanet buys 150 Bitcoin for 12 million. So countries, big companies are actually buying Bitcoin right now for cheap, and the people that are weak with their emotions are basically selling. That's why my opinion is that I'm not selling. If this video is not a financial advice, but I still think there will be some major cataclysm that will basically change everything and we will go through the roof and there will be so huge euphoria. Here you can see gold reaches a new all-time high, 3025 for the first time in history. That's why this is another reason why I think Bitcoin should go up, is because Bitcoin is digital gold. It is much easier to transfer, to hold Bitcoin. Basically, it is really hard for you to hold 1 million, 2 million, 10 million and more. Even $1,000 of gold is much harder to hold than Bitcoin because Bitcoin is just digital numbers and it is much easier to transact. That's why for gold to go up and Bitcoin doesn't make sense, but I still think Bitcoin will catch up soon. So here, another ARK Invest. I think that the Cathie Woods, basically investment firm, bought 1,070 Bitcoin, basically 88.5 million worth of Bitcoin. So another great news, and that's why I think that's why I don't personally look on the Bitcoin price or on the crypto price, because this doesn't reflect what is happening behind the scenes. There are no hurdles anymore for crypto companies in the USA. That's why I think there is so much going on behind the scenes that people don't see, but there is no hype in the mainstream news. The next thing, what I'm doing personally, I am still buying Dogin.me. Why I am buying this meme coin is because it will be listed on Coinbase. It was added to the roadmap and it was added on March 14. Basically, I think in 3 days, they will list it on the Coinbase exchange. And if you remember Toshi, when they listed Toshi, it went up 7x. When they did this announcement that the Toshi was added to the roadmap, it did 3x, and after it did 7x. So basically, there is a huge upside for the Dogin.me right now, and it is going up. Here you can see the announcement, and now it is just going steadily. It is going up because people are expecting the same outcome as it was for Toshi, and if Bitcoin goes up or holds above 80,000, I think this will be a huge launch for Dogin.me. And what I'm doing personally, I am still checking on meme coins. There are so many meme coins coming out. but the market is quite low. That's why be really careful if you are not experienced. Another thing I'm doing, I am farming this jumper airdrop, where you basically bridge different crypto. For example, I'm bridging Solana to Base, and what I will do with this Base token, basically Base Ethereum, I will buy some more Dog.in.me. That's how convinced I am that this meme coin will do big numbers. And right now market cap is 82 million. I think we will reach 500 million, maybe even 800 million. Maybe not that much, but still, if we reach 500 million, that's around 6x, 7x, and that's a big gains in current markets. And yeah, this is not controlled by some influencers, some like in similar to Solana meme coins. Most of them are the secret cabals that are dumping on you. This is a real community coin. And yeah, you can do your own research on that. So yeah, that's what I'm basically doing. There is so much happening behind the scenes, and I still think 2025 will be one of the biggest bull runs because NFTs are also coming back. The Good Vibes Club NFT that I was basically giving you, the free mints. I'm not free mints, but the pre-sale mints for 0.069 Ethereum. Right now, Good Vibes Club is sitting, I think, around 0.5 Ethereum or 0.49. So let's check. So the floor price is 0.48. So basically, if you bought at 0.069, you could get around 6x, 7x gains right now. So congrats everyone that used this opportunity. I will be posting more on my Patreon as I see these opportunities and as fast as I can basically show you them and give them. I will post on Patreon. Only after that I'm posting on YouTube because it is much harder to post on YouTube. It takes more time. But here you can see basically 0.5 Ethereum. If someone buys the 8 of the Good Vibes Club NFTs, we are back at 0.50. So yeah, again, if you bought these when I told you, congrats. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.